So I have a background in ceramics. I started my entry into making art came from working in clay and started when I was really young. It was really great to have this sponsorship from 3D Systems that allowed us to produce a lot of work. It allowed me to ask artists to participate that wouldn't have been able to participate without the sponsorship.
The great thing about working on this project is that everybody had their own approach to it. So I had to remain nimble. Working with Kate Blacklock, she would provide Illustrator files and she was very involved in the process. We had a lot of meetings.
The process has been very, very interesting from us on a number of levels. We find that artists typically push the boundaries of 3D printing and we create objects that we would never even consider making.
The particular pieces I was working on started from Illustrator drawings that were part of paintings that I was working on. So I knew that if there was a way, because a lot of the forms were built on the computer, that I could push that into ceramic pieces. One thing that surprised me was how much the actual pieces looked like the renderings. Is different when you make things out of clay and you fire them, and there's always often surprises of the clay doing things that you don't expect.
What was different about it was this ability to make things a percentage smaller easily. That's something that is perfect for the digital process, because to make something 10% smaller, you just hit a button and it's done. Whereas to actually do it, it's a significant amount of work.
The most exciting part, obviously, is seeing the end product, because they're gorgeous, they're amazing, they're absolutely everything you would ever want them to be. 3D printing in ceramics is going to be absolutely mainstream going forward.